Why is food expensive? Why will I spend 10k in a day? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So guys, I'm vlogging today. I'm honestly bored. I'm supposed to be working on like a piece. I'm supposed to submit to a magazine, but like there's no inspiration, right? So I drafted like a whole fictional piece. If you do not know, I'm a writer. My work has been published in magazines like 21 Magazine, Afridia, Nigeria Feminist, and I have a Substack account where I write random stuff. So I'm going to link my Substack in the description. So if you want to check me out, you can check me out through my Substack. So I'm currently like working on a piece, but like as I said before, there's no inspiration. But this is so I write first on paper before I transfer it to my notes app and then edit it. So basically, I'm just here to rant because I'm tired. Nigeria is stressing me out. Can you guys tell me why we've not had light? Like we only have lights. I stay in Anambra, by the way. We only have lights like by 2, and then the lights like the last only like 2 hours. Why is food expensive? Why will I spend 10k in a day? And I know some people will be like 10k in a day is a lot, but like I'm literally just using it on food. Because if I want to cook, that 10k might not even be enough. I made rice and stew a week ago and I spent 8,000 naira, and that stew just lasted 2 days. And mind you, it's just me and my sister. I'm stressed, like I'm tired, there's no light, food is expensive, transport is expensive. Like I'm even going to take you guys, because I'm going to get swallow soon. I'm going to take you guys along with me. You see how much like a plate of swallow is, and the fufu is so tiny. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys. I'm so tired. Being a content writer in Nigeria, being a creative in Nigeria is so unrewarding. It's not fun. Like you get paid peanuts, or you don't even get paid at all. There's no light. You have to do like extra work. Like I'm honestly so tired, and I know you guys are wondering like why. Like my YouTube channel basically isn't only for hair. Like I want to vlog. I want to show you guys like my day-to-day activities. But life is just so hard, like so stressful, so tiring. I don't have any motivation to film. I don't have any motivation because like what am I recording? I don't have money to go out. Are you guys going to see me in my room all day? Like it's going to be so boring. So like I'm like, what am I showing you guys? So I end up not just vlogging. I don't even know if I'm going to even put this one out because I don't even know if I'm going to be in my room all day. There is no money to go out. There's no money to go out and film and vlog. There's no lights. I'm currently using a friend's power bank. Let me show you. This is my neighbor's power bank. I'm using her power bank because like I have to write and I have to submit like my work before the 31st. I have been so tired. Like thank you, Miss. I love you. So honestly, that's just it. I will be stepping out soon to get like swallow. I'll show you guys like how much it is, and then I'll show you guys the size of the fufu. Like I honestly have to eat 3 fufu to be filled up. Before 2 fufu was enough. Even the 3 fufu save. It's managing it. Sometimes I want to cry, but like crying is not going to solve my issues, so I just like sleep. I just sleep, to be honest. But like I'll see you guys when I'm about to step out to get my swallow. Hopefully I remember to film. But like I just wanted you guys to see my pretty face, because like my skin has been doing so great. Like can you guys see? If you know my skin before, you know that my skin's actually doing great right now. So bye guys. So guys, I'm about to step out to get food right now. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me. The lighting is not so great, so you guys, sorry, there's no lights. Nigeria. So I'm eating my lunch right now. Yeah, so I'm on my way to go food. Okay, you can go. Bye! It's military after next level.
Along the road again.
Along the road.
Everything.
How much?
300.
300, no be 400. Shey you go wait for
I
me.
know, I know charge you price.
Shey you go wait for me.
Wait.
I wan buy food comot.
No, you enter another machine because I'm going to.
But you go stop me here make I transfer DPS. Good evening. Do you have how much is your vegetable and egusi mixed together? Eh, thank you. Give me egusi and vegetable mixed together. 3 fufu. That will be how much? Oh, wow. Give me egusi and oha instead. Thank you. So guys, I'm back from the trenches. Every day I step out. Let me just show you guys what I bought. So I got two pure water because change I had to not even buy a bag of water. I only had 200 naira change. So I just got two pure water. Then see the fufu. See, ignore the fact that it's flat like this. They actually like pressed it. This fufu is like this is like 200 naira. So I got three. I got three fufu because like I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I've not really had anything to eat since morning. And I got soup. So initially I wanted to get vegetable soup. But when they told me the price, they were like everything is 3,300. I was like, hey God, if I pay the money, I will not be able to have transport to come back home. So I just opted for egusi and like oha mixed together because I love mixing my soups. And this was like everything was 2,700. So that's almost 3,000 naira. And my transport was like 600 naira, 300 going and coming because I used bike. Because I'm so hungry. So I literally have spent almost 4K just to go out to eat. 4,000 naira, and that's just one plate of food. Oh. And I'm going to still eat in the night, which is going to still cost me about 3K. That's like 7K. If I had eaten in the morning, that would be like also 3K. That's like 10K. So approximately just 10K on food every day. Me, I did see Shege. I don't know if you guys ever see Shege, but I'm seeing Shege, and like the country is so hard, especially for like youth. The country is actually really hard right now. So like if you're in Nigeria and if you're Nigerian, I'm sending you like hugs and I just hope that things get better because man, the country is shit. The country is going to shit, man. And like if you know someone that lives in Nigeria and you're abroad, like be sending them money regularly. If you know a creative in Nigeria, if you know a student in Nigeria, be sending them money all the time because like things are hard. Like people are seeing shiggy here. So yeah. Honestly, this is the end of my video. I'm going to link my Substack in the description box so you guys check me out. Support me. Subscribe to my channels. I can't be having 600 views and you guys are not subscribing. Subscribe so that I can be able to go out and film for you people so you guys can see my face every time. What do you want me to be balling? Subscribe so I can get monetized. Read my stuff on Substack. Subscribe if you want to tip me, if you're feeling generous. Tip me, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know that this wasn't like a really long video. I just wanted to talk about the situation of the country. Things are like so shitty right now. But like I'm sending you guys hugs. Bye my loves. Bye.